Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make honey bread rolls. This is very simple to make and trust me, it's so delicious. Give it a shot and let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl or in the stand mixture, add in flour. This morning I was very tired, so I decided to use my stand mixture for this recipe. You can do it by hands, of course. I then added in sugar, dry active yeast and yellow food color, which is totally optional. I mixed it together till well combined and then added in egg, honey and milk. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used at the end of this video, so please make sure you watch this video till the end. I'll also leave it in the comment section or in the description box below. After I added in milk and then let the machine start until everything has come together, and then I added in salt, which is the last but one ingredient that I added, and the last ingredient that I added was milk, the rest of the milk. I then let it work again for about 5 minutes before going in with the butter. Make sure your butter is melted, like soft, not melted butter, softened butter. Add in the softened butter and then knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes again. If you are using the machine, 3 to 5 minutes is okay, but if you are doing it by hands, it's 7 minutes. So guys, just look at it. Even you can see your face through this dough. I then place it back in my baking bowl and then kept it in the warm place to double in size. Now let's move to the sesame seeds mixture. In the different bowl, I added in a tablespoon of sesame seeds, sugar, a pinch of cinnamon powder and a pinch of grated nutmeg, which is totally optional. This thing is totally optional, but it gives it extra taste. I'll then kept it aside. The bowl that I'll be adding the dough to, I then brush them, which I'll be baking the bread. I grease it with melted butter and then kept that aside as well. So once the dough has doubled in size, I'll deflate the dough, transfer it on my work surface, smooth the surface of the dough, and then divided it into 8 parts. This was around 100 to 110 grams each. You can eyeball it or weigh it, or depending on the quantity of the dough that you're using. When done, keep the rest. Bring one and keep the rest aside. Make sure you cover it with a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. The one left, roll it in a long shape like this, and make sure the edge, you pinch it or you make that place very smooth. And then the other side, roll the other side to the side that you made it smooth. Just roll it like this as demonstrated in the video, and that's it. It's very simple, guys, and it's very easy. I then place it back in my work surface and then divided it into 2 equal parts. So basically that's it, guys. It's simple, easy, and you're good to go. After, dip it in a sesame seeds mixture and then put it or arrange it in your baking bowl. So guys, make sure you press it to make sure they are well arranged, and then cover it with a cling film. Let it double in size again before baking. So after, take off the cling film and then brush on top with an egg wash. Bake this bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. That's it, guys. Just look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it amazing? Trust me, this bread rolls was delicious. Delicious. It got finished within a twinkle of an eye. The last thing that I did was to glaze on top with a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of water. I mixed it together and then brush on top on the bread. And that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you till then. Bye bye.